Okay, now let's work on our character more. Now first off, I'm not doing a multiplayer game, so I don't need my player name display. Make sure that doesn't break anything. Okay. Now, the next thing I want, we're going to come to our body, or and you can actually, I call this the waist. And we're going to add something called a scene component. I'm going to move the scene component to the side of the belt, maybe in front of it a little bit. Right about there. And I'm going to name this weapon. Now, I want to come here and I want to grab this dagger because I want to make this my main weapon for now. And I'm going to place it right on the weapon. Zero it out. Okay, that's not the way we're going to do that. Hold up. Okay, whatever. Everything I got messed up there. Let me try this again. Grab the dagger. Hold up. The best way to do this. Oh. What the F is going on here? Okay. Put it on the root first. What the F? I thought I said root. There we go. Then put it on the weapon. Then zero it. There we go. So now what we want to do is we grab this and I want to rotate it something like that, and then I'm going to pull it out a little bit. And then I can delete this. Now notice the scale changes here. Now here's what we're going to do. Come out here and we're going to create a new thing here. We're going to create another function. And we're going to call this one spawn weapon. And then we are going to spawn an actor from class. We're going to come back here to our weapon. Get world transform. Now split this because the scale that this has is bad. Whoops. I don't need that. That was a whoopsie. Split this one. do that. Undo that. Keep it at its own scale. The dagger. And then we need to attach actor to component, and we are attaching it to the weapon. If I remember right, I wanted to keep world. Now, easy way, we're just going to test this right away. I'm going to come up here to my begin play. And after it does all of that stuff, spawn the weapon. After a delay, let's make sure everything's doing fine. So if I did this right, I'm going to look down and my dagger is going to be there and it's going to be the correct size and I'm going to be able to grab it. Let's see. I need to stand up for this. I can't be in the chair for this one. Oh, there it is. There's my grab dagger. And I can grab it. Cool. But if I drop it, uh-oh. Then I have to use this frickin' thing to try pick it up again. Should we just do the inventory thing where you can just kind of put it wherever they want?
Come on,
Maybe
coward.
we should.
Here I stand. Ah!
Oh wait, I don't have the wand yet. Ooh. Whoops. That was my computer monitor I just hit. I need to stand back a little bit. Oh, that's still working. Okay. But yeah, like I said, we just, now we have to use this stupid thing to pick up our dagger. So let's finish this. Okay, let me see back down. Okay. Now to finish this up, we do on grip, on grip, release. So should we set up an inventory again? Why not? So you can either keep this up, keep this here, and have them start with a weapon. Nothing wrong with that. Or we can create another bool weapon. And the reason why I set that to weapon instead of dagger is you can change it to different weapons. So now there's a has weapon boolean. Oops. Your character. Set has weapon. This is going to do something very similar. So now when we release it, after our delay, we will spawn our weapon, and at the same time destroy this one. There you go. So now when I grab a dagger, I will has the dagger. Let's see it all put together.
Who else
Okay.
wants to try? I've not had this much fun in ages.
Settle down, you. First I'm gonna grab my...
Ha! Come on, coward. Here I stand.
So now that's part of my inventory. And I don't have my dagger yet, but I'll grab one, and when I let go of it, it comes back to my belt. Okay. And I can reach behind my back, and there's my wand. And then I can come over here. I can grab both of these potions, and I can attach them anywhere I want to on my belt. Oop. I adjust my strap here.
A 1,000 gold talons for the first warrior to strike me.
Okay, give me 1,000. Where's my damn money?
Who else wants to try? I've not had this much fun in ages.
Oh. Oh. Oops, wrong one. Oh, I'm making my own sound effects. My rule is if I'm making my own sound effect for something, then I need a sound effect. that's we got that one working. I will see you in the next video.